Hello everyone, and this is Matematik, and in this video I want to spend some time and talk about some electricity concepts, which you need to know to understand what is being told in this course. First, I just want to talk about what a circuit is. So a circuit is a closed loop through which electric particles can continuously move. In order to make a circuit there needs to be a complete connection between the energy source or power and the area with the least amount of energy, called the ground. So remember the circuit I showed in the previous lesson, where the LED glows when the battery is connected. Well, this is a closed loop through which electric particles move. The electronic particles will start at the plus sign, then through the wire travel to the LED, then from the LED go through a resistor, and then through the wire go back to the battery, but enter the minus sign. So this creates a closed loop, and this can be called a circuit. Also, some more details about the circuits is that all of the electrical energy applied to the circuit needs to be consumed by its components. Next, I wanted to talk about the three fundamental concepts in electricity, which are voltage, current, and resistance. Voltage is the difference of electrical potentials at 2 points. The unit for voltage is volts, and the letter V is short for voltage. Current is the rate of electric charge flow through a specific point. The unit of measuring current is amperes, and letter I stands for current. Resistance is the measure of how much a specific component can resist the current flow. The resistance is measured in ohms. Letter R stands for resistance. To give you a better understanding of these concepts, let's do a quick experiment. First, let's fill a Ziploc bag with water. Next, let's make a little hole inside the bag using a toothpick, and you'll see water pouring out. So in this example, the height of water is proportional with the water pressure, and this will be voltage. The flow rate of water through the hole will be the current. And the diameter of the hole will be resistance. If we repeat the experiment with a new Ziploc bag, and now instead of making a hole in the bag with a toothpick, you now make a hole with a pencil. This time you see that as we increase the diameter of the hole, the flow rate increases. So we can see that with the decrease of resistance, the amount of current increases. And now we get to a new concept called the Ohm's law, which tells you the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. The Ohm's law states that the voltage is directly proportional to the product of current and resistance, so it will be V equals I times R. For example, if we need to keep voltage constant and we decrease the amount of resistance, the amount of current needed to be applied increases. And vice versa, when the resistance increases, the amount of current will need to decrease to have voltage constant. This is a really important formula, and I recommend you to memorize it. You will use this law throughout the rest of your life when working with circuits. You will need to do measurements using this law in order not to burn or destroy any of your components in the circuit. And I would like to finish this lesson off with some more little circuit related concepts. And they are: the flow of current at a specific point will always be the same coming in and out. Electrical current will mostly travel the path with the least amount of resistance. Also, if you connect the power with the ground without the resistance, you will cause a short circuit, causing a spark or explosion, and this way you can easily destroy the circuit and its components. This is it for this lesson. I know that I didn't cover all of the electronic basics in this video, but I covered what I think is essential to start working with Arduino. If you feel like you want to learn more electronic circuit fundamentals, you can always use Google and find more information to learn. Also, I'll leave some sources in the description to aid you learning the electronic circuit fundamentals. This is it for this lesson. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is really important for me and it motivates me to make more videos. Alright, see you guys in the upcoming videos. Bye!